What if your app could become 10 times faster? Instantly. That's exactly what caching makes possible. Every time a user requests data, the server may need to fetch it from a database. But databases can be slow, especially when handling many requests. Caching solves this problem by storing frequently used data in a faster storage layer called a cache. Instead of going to the database every time, the server checks the cache first. If the data is found in the cache, it's called a cache hit. And the response is very fast. If the data is not in the cache, it's a cache miss. The server fetches it from the database and stores it in the cache for next time. Caching is used in almost every large-scale application. It reduces database load, improves performance, and helps systems handle millions of users efficiently. Tools like Redis make caching extremely fast by storing data in memory. By using caching, applications become faster, more scalable, and more efficient. That's why caching is a key part of modern system design.